break it up, break it up. Hello there from Hollywood, where a star is being born. I'm J. Caesar Bandwagon, head of Blockbuster Pictures. And I know you're aching all over to meet our great new star. So, ache a little longer. First, listen to how I discovered him. 1 year ago, at Blockbuster, I called in my producers and said, I want you to go out and find me a great new star. Search the world, spend a fortune, but bring back a star to Blockbuster Pictures. For expenses, I gave them my Diners Club card and said, get rolling. Well, they really started rolling. They rolled and rolled, and still they rolled, with very little luck. Meanwhile, back at the studio... I knew you couldn't find a star. I just wanted to prove it. Now I am going to show you how to find a star. For an old showman like me, it was duck soup. Young lady, you're exactly what I've been looking for. Nice legs, lovely eyes. Now, let me hear your voice. It's all right, officer. I'm J.C. Bandwagon, head of Blockbuster Pictures. Eventually, I was identified and released. 2 days later, I was back in Hollywood. Aha! Another Jimmy Cagney. I waited for him to come out. Just a minute. I'm J.C. Bandwagon, head of Blockbuster Pictures.
Oh, yeah? You look like a stool pigeon.
You're J. Caesar Bandwagon, the head of Blockbuster Pictures. Really? Oh, I would have taken you for a pickle salesman. Do you know why? It's that hat. Don't listen to those who tell you that clothes make all the difference in a man. I say that. Instead, what goes on your head affects you more than clothing can. Now, what makes me so gay and debonair? Your socks, your gloves, your long and silky hair? Why, it's none of those that makes the people stare. Why, of course, it's this, the topper that you wear. Think of all the famous men of history, and I think that you will soon agree with me that their choice of hat is certainly the key to their well-developed personality. Think of Robin Hood, Napoleon, MacArthur, or of Zorro, Sherlock Holmes, or Davy Crockett. You can go on till tomorrow, every one of them, I do declare, chose his hat with the greatest of care. When you're wearing the right kind of hat, no one looks at your tie or cravat. No one gives a hoot about your style of suit if you're wearing the right kind of hat. When you put on the right kind of hat, well, no one cares if you're skinny or fat. Let me tell you this, you can never miss, and your pockets will never be flat when you're wearing the right kind of hat. Oh, just look what a hat can do. Oh, thank heaven for Mimi and Louise. Mr. Christian, you've made a fool out of me. What a catastrophic stroke. I got a million of them. I got a million of them. But however, never have I, have you, have he, however. Let me tell you this, you can never miss, and your pocket will never be flat when you're wearing the right kind of hat. I grabbed him and held tight. A great talent like this wasn't going to get away. Now, a great star must have a great name. Owen, Irving, Melvin, Harry Katz. Are you kidding? That's my mother-in-law's name. Clark Gable, a great name. But no, Louis, Seymour, Eddie. Wait. Get me names unlimited. $50,000 before we start thinking. Terrific! What a name! The Cat. So descriptive, so easy to say. A simple name like that. Why didn't you think of it? Let me tell you this, you can never miss, and your pocket will never be flat when you're wearing the right kind of hat.